Okay. Oh, I almost hit you guys there. Alright, 2 to go. And that sucker is out. Neighbor kids. That's gonna be a problem right there. This thing's really hard to get at too in there. So let's see if I can just to come loose there and get that off up there. And I can get this on there. I'm gonna take it out, put it together, and put it back in that way like that. It's getting a little bit late. No clue what time it is. Sorry, new music. I heard somebody trying to turn my mic on. I can't do all this stuff. My own future truck. Yeah, that wouldn't work on this one. Yeah, it's almost done. Yeah, it's from one of the aluminum lines in the power steering pump that's leaking there. Yes, I'm aware it's going to need an alignment on it. Not much I can do at this moment though. Job's a job. It looks okay underneath. Huh. I have to paint the frame soon enough. Hopefully if I buy it off my hat. Got this back in 1997, I think. Yeah, 1997. 98, I was diagnosed with ADHD, ADD. Something more to it now, and it's autism spectrum now. Did the compression and air leak down in it, and it passed pretty well. So, pretty good engine for 235K on it. 2.8 throttle body. What's this? Oh no, it's just the shadow of it. Alright, let's see what the next video holds for you guys and me.